got this massive black 20-inch wheels over here. The back is a 20-inch. Look at that box. So if you want to open the door, it's just a tap right here. You tap this side, they'll open. So inside, right there, it's open. You just pull this because it doesn't have anything, so you just pull it. Very heavy door. It's black and white interior. You have a big storage space right here by the door, and it has just these two bottoms right here, this one and this one. So if you sit in it and you want to open, you just press this and it opens the door, and this brings the window down. And this it brings the window down, brings the window up. There you go with the driving mirror. Nothing so serious about it, just this shape, like a triangle shape, like that. And then you see that tin light right there. It's a very small light down there. And you have this massive wiper. It's just one. It's huge from down here all the way to the top. It's typically nothing too many outside. It's just a simple car, like a box like that. Pressed on this down, and it brings this right all the way to you. So what about this is that you cannot press it for it to go back. You just have to, you know, raise it up with your hand yourself, and then push it and you close it, and that's it. So let me show you another thing that you can also see right here on this tracker there. Good. So you roll this up, you can just stop on the way, and then you come here, and then you see all the USB chargers that you want. If you want to charge something, you want to plug anything, you want to come, you want to plug something, or whatever thing you want to plug right here, you get a power over there. On top you have this massive glass on the top, and this is just the moon roof all the way right here, like that, in the top. One thing about this, guys, look at where the tail light is. The back light is right here, so you don't see it, but when you open the trunk, you'll be able to see it right there. Right here. Same right here. So let's close this up. You don't see anything. Just like that. Now let me take you inside this car. Let's see what's inside. You press this. And the door opens. And there you go. Huge back right there. 3-seater right there. Black leather interior. The back seat, so you can see right at the rail. You have everything in front, you have it at the rail, so you can see your back and everything. You see how the air condition is blowing, so you can see the air condition coming out right on the screen like that. Let's see inside this massive car. This is the Cybertruck from Tesla. Let's go to the front space. There you see Cybertruck written right there. Right here. See that? It has the same power seat. You see the buttons over there, the power seat front, back. Like that. Like that. Move forward. Go back. Have the same power seat. You see these two cup holders right here, and then another big space for storage. You can just keep your phone right here, and that's it. And then have a massive storage space over here like that. Put it up. Big storage space right here. Another storage space right here. You can see there's this huge camera right here before you open it, and then press up this side, come up, it's open this way. Huge space right there. Black leather seat. Huge seat right there. You can see the moonroof big over there. And this small size. Guys, I'm here with Mr. Gomez, the owner of this Cybertruck, and he is going to tell us the amazing thing this car is about and what this car can do.
Guys, let's get inside the truck and let's show you what the Cybertruck has to offer. It's going to be great and awesome. Come in. All right, so over here we've got the controls of the Cybertruck. Fold mirrors, where you can just fold your mirrors to inside and out. So let's just move this back. Mirrors right here. You can touch these mirrors with the button here. You can move your mirrors in and out, depending on the side you want. So you want right, left, okay. Car wash. This car, when you go to car wash mode, it just turns, make sure the wiper doesn't go, because that wiper costs it's a lot of money. So basically when you go to car wash, you must enter car wash so that thing doesn't go off when the water falls on. We also have autopilot. Okay, 1 second, let me just look in this thing right here. That's charging. 1 second, autopilot. So over here, so all your controls for autopilot, forward collision, lane departure, speed limit that you want to set it to, speed limit warning. Also has the lighting, how you want the lighting interior, which is red, right now, but you could put it blue multicolors, which is all here. All right. Then we have display. All right. So basically, you could have dark, light, auto display. When it's nighttime or daytime, it turns into whichever time of the day is. Trips are here, so you can have a calculation how much you're spending in kilowatts and battery and all that stuff, how much you have left. Navigation, HOV lane tells you automatic navigation online. Safety, drive, and schedule. You can set up your schedule to drive. This is safety right here. Software. So it's a full self-driving computer. Okay. Full self-driving capability and premium capability. Mileage on the car, 7,500 miles. It's practically new. Tailgate, you can open from here. Okay, open door. It tells you whether the door is open or the trunk is open. Okay, or you can open it from here as well. Ride height, you can put it to low high, so entry level car is going to go down now. All right, if you want medium level.
Okay,
so you can open the tailgate, everything through here. Also, you have, for example, let's go in here. There's also movies, DJ series. You want to play some movies, you can watch it here. Music as well. You can go to this button right here. Let's see what else. For air, you see your air coming out of here. You can set it up low, high. The seats also. You can also set heat, auto, windshield heater. It's right here, cooling. Start these off. We don't need that right now. This is your fan. Okay, it's high, low, medium. Only 3 setups. It's a lot of features in this car. Your Bluetooth part, where you can connect to Bluetooth. Also, you can pair your Apple phone. What else we have? Locks. Let's see, autopilot. We touch everything basically on his. Let's see, dynamics. So you can set it to comfort, sport, custom, or off-road. Okay, so whichever way you want to drive, you can set it up your preferable comfortability. All right, I'm going to show you guys how this vehicle. You can play with the height whichever way you want it. You can do entry level, which is come down all the way to the bottom. Okay, this helps you come in and out of the car comfortable. All right. Obviously, if you want low, which is going to drive automatically in low, this is the way it's going to set up for normal height. All right, and then you have medium height, which is now if you want to go over some stuff, you know, off-roading a little bit. And this is basically it's just high, you go over, this is going to like over water, I guess, river, whatever you want to do it, mud. This gets you through out of everywhere. All right, so this truck has a lot of features. It's one of the best trucks I've test driven. All right, it also has, when you're steering, if you see all the wheels turn at one point. If you see the back tire as well, it's moving. And that's about it. Right now it's closed, it's opening. All right, and if you want to close, just close it up automatically. And it shows closing right there. So this is how you close the side view mirrors. And it will show it on the screen. Go back to the side mirrors and then unfold back in. I think is trying to find it video, so let's go to here. That's arcade. You also can play video games. If your kids are bored, you have all type of games here to play. They can play it on the screen. All right, it's a very practical car. Your kids will love it. Also, if you go back here, you're gonna go in here and you're gonna go to Apple Music, Amazon Music, YouTube. You can play as well. Tidal, all type of music streams you could have. Bluetooth, Spotify is right here. Zoomtron. I mean, also I want to show you what we can do here. Play box. So if you want to do, let's just say boombox, light show, I'm gonna do the light show for you guys.
Okay.
Let's step out the vehicle, and then I can show you how this thing plays the.
Take a little bit so that this is the key of this car. It's just like that.
I gotta go a little closer.